Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Did you know that airplane tray tables are the dirtiest item on a plane? So if you'd like a clean surface to eat off of and have extra organizing and storage capabilities, then you're gonna love this tray table cover that I got from Airplane Pockets. My husband and I recently took 2 flights on Alaska in economy, and I was so glad that I had this cover with me. I really like having this as an option as opposed to just wiping everything down when I get on the plane. That way I don't have to worry about where do I put my wipes, how do I throw them out. This is so nice and convenient because it's washable and it's small. It doesn't take up a lot of space in your carry-on. I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to lock up my tray table when it was in place, but I was able to do that and it was super simple. There are 4 pockets and you can fit an extremely large amount of things in this. I had like my book, my crocheting, my water bottle, and an assortment of other things. This was so nice, especially when I needed to get up to use the bathroom. I could just put everything in there and not have to worry about like, where did I put that? This is definitely an item that you're going to use over and over again for your flights. You really shouldn't fly without it, and that's my point of view.